Eucalyptus leaf tutorial. First, twist a 2-finger single bubble. Connect two 2-finger single bubbles to form double pinch twists. Wrap the modeling balloon once around the center of the ear tie knot to secure it. Follow the same steps to make another set. Remember to push the air towards the tail end while twisting. Making the balloon softer makes it less likely to burst. Complete 2 more sets following the steps above. The length can be customized as needed. Your eucalyptus leaves are ready!